Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter, and this may look a little different, what you're seeing right now, or maybe you can't tell, but I got my new computer, and it has been a hell of a weekend getting used to it, because I've gone from PC to Mac. Not an easy transition, and I'm still learning. So we'll be giving it its premiere tryout today on Stephen and Walter Live. So Stephen and Walter Live will be on the air today at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and hopefully everything will go well smoothly. We shall see. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about some memory issues. We're going to talk about what's current in the news and just other this and that's. So that's today, Sunday, May the 29th, 2022, starting at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.